In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the official connector inside Shopify, so you can bring your store data into Power BI for richer reporting and dashboards. First, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin with a staff account that has permission to manage apps. Starting from your Shopify home, take a moment to get oriented. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation. We'll use this sidebar to get to the App Store where the Power BI connector lives. Look for the apps icon on the left sidebar. Just beneath that icon, click Add. A small menu will slide out with a few options. At the very bottom of that mini menu, choose Shopify App Store. If your window is narrow, you may need to hover over the sidebar to reveal labels or scroll slightly to see the Add option. Opening the App Store from here ensures you're browsing with the right store context and reduces the chance of installing anything into the wrong place. Once the Shopify App Store opens, go to the search box at the top and type Power BI. You don't need to worry about exact capitalization. The search will recognize it. After a moment, you'll see a list of results related to Power BI and data connectors. What you're looking for is the app named Power BI Connector by Tempo. This is the tool that bridges your Shopify data with Microsoft Power BI, so you can visualize orders, products, customers, and more using familiar dashboards. Click on Power BI Connector by Tempo in the results. Opening the app page is helpful for confirming you've got the right solution. Here, you can review the app description, supported data entities, pricing, and recent updates. It's a good idea to scan the reviews and check the publisher name to verify you're selecting the official connector. Also, review the permissions the app requests so you understand which parts of your store data it will access. If your organization has data policies, make sure the permissions and data handling align with them. Some connectors may have usage limits or plan requirements, so confirm it fits your store's needs before proceeding. That's it for locating the connector inside Shopify. From here, you can explore the app details to ensure it matches your reporting goals in Power BI. In a follow-up, you can proceed with configuration and begin selecting the data you want to analyze. For now, you've successfully navigated from the Shopify admin to the exact Power BI connector you'll use to unlock deeper insights from your store data.